Hi students, welcome to yet another session of my class. We are discussing the paper Writings on Contemporary Issues. At present, we are dealing with the chapter 1, that is drug abuse, causes and solutions. In the last class, we discussed about the effects of drug abuse. And today we are going to discuss about the solution to drug abuse. Solution. What are the solutions to prevent this negative habit? Prevention is one of the ways in which drug abuse can be dealt with. Yes, we all know that there is a saying, prevention is better than cure. Yes, here also prevention is one of the ways in which drug abuse can be dealt with. And this is one of the main objective behind this particular chapter, that is at present you are aware about this negative habit, so you should think that is it right or wrong that usage of this drug abuse, not drug usage, is it right or wrong? So prevention, that is the through different methods, that prevention through different methods, that is through media or through awareness or through your syllabus, from your family, for from peer friend circle, or different other sources, that prevention is one of the ways in which drug abuse can be dealt with, according to whom? According to our writer Samudrayanil Mukherjee. He told that is prevention is better than cure. And in fact, it is one affliction that can be easily prevented according to medical experts and practitioners. According to the medical experts and the other practitioners, they told that it is one affliction. Affliction in the sense means a type of pain or sorrow, or that can be easily prevented. That means according to their viewpoint, that is this medical experts and practitioners, we can easily prevent this negative habit. Prevention programs involving entities such as families, schools, and the immediate communities are important in this regard. I told you, prevention in the sense here means that is giving proper awareness regarding this negative habit. And this is one of the objectives behind this particular chapter. That is, you youngsters, you are studying this chapter, and you should aware about the positive and not positive. You should aware about the negative part of this habit. So prevention programs involving entities such as families, that is the parents, they have a definite role to advise their children. So families, then schools, colleges, yes, from your teachers, that is from the schools, colleges, these they also played a definite role or a proper role to prevent this habit among the youngsters. And the immediate communities like friend circle, then relatives, etc. All these factors are important in this regard, in the sense means are important to prevent or to take action against this negative habit. All have a definite role to prevent this habit among the youngsters. And media, especially the entertainment segment, also needs to understand its role in this context and play a positive role by resisting the urge to earn millions by romanticizing and glorifying drug abuse. In the introductory part itself, our author told that some programs, that is a popular television programs or films, some programs glorified or romanticized this negative habit through different programs. And here he once again emphasized that this media and other popular films, social medias, programs, etc. They are also they took a responsibility. They should take one responsibility to express or to convince these youngsters regarding the negative effects of this drug usage. That is media, especially the entertainment segment, like that is through comedy programs or advertisements, like such programs. They also needs to understand its role in this context. That is, through their programs they try to, yes, convince, or they should take responsibility to aware these youngsters regarding the negative side of this habit and play a positive role. And he urged these medias to play a positive role by resisting or preventing the urge to earn millions by romanticizing and glorifying drug abuse. It needs to highlight the damning consequences of drug abuse. Yes, our author insisting that media should highlight the damning or the negative consequences of drug abuse so that these youngsters can easily understand that how it affects their life also. It is important that the youth are made to feel that drug usage itself is harmful in every conceivable way. Yes, it is important that these youngsters or these youth are made to feel that drug usage itself is harmful in all aspects, in every conceivable way, and only then they will stop using them. Then they slowly try to stop this habit or using of drugs and prevent others in their peer group, that is in their friend circle, from doing the same, that is using the drugs. They also prevent other youngsters in their peer group or in their friend circle from doing the same. So our writer Samudrayanil Mukherjee, the he urged us to he urged us here in the sense means he urged the media to take responsibility for what? Responsibility for what? That is resisting the urge of these youngsters for using drugs. Then second one, that is a second solution he puts forward in this article, is a sustained treatment. Sustained treatment in the sense means continuously or continuously stable effective treatment. That is sustained treatment. Sustained treatment is the only option for people who have already gone down the road of drug abuse and are highly into it. That prolonged or stable, effective treatment is the only option for people who are addicted to these drugs. The treatment for a drug abuser normally depends on the kind of drug that the people has been using. We all know that there are so many types of drugs are available now. And the treatment for a drug abuser normally depends on the kind of drug that the person has been using, what kind of drug he or she has used. So the treatment is based on the kind of drugs that they used. It is said that the best treatments normally emphasize phenomena related to the individual's life. Actually, yes, I already told you in the introductory part that is this how this habit uh, happened, or how this habit start among the youngsters. Sometimes they want to overcome their stress period or some dark times in their life, or they want to overcome certain issues or problems in their life. That is, there are so many reasons behind this usage. So it is based that treatment is Yes, it is said that the best treatments normally emphasize phenomena related to individual's life. First of all, a doctor or the medical practitioner should understand the background of that individual, how he became addicted to these drugs, what are the important or the genuine reasons behind this addiction. First of all, so the treatment, it is purely related to the individual's life. This includes areas such as medical, psychological, and work related needs, as well as issues in relationships with other people in the person's life. There are so many reasons behind this addiction. So this includes areas such as medical, psychological, and work-related needs, as well as issues in relationships with other people in the person's life. First of all, a medical practitioner or a doctor should understand the background of that particular person, how this happened to him or her. And the treatment sessions combine medication and behavioral therapy so that the victim of drug abuse gradually stops feeling the urge to do drugs. And the method of treatment. The treatment sessions combine medication along with the medication. Yes, the treatment session includes behavioral therapy, counseling, psychological approach so that the victim of drug abuse gradually stops feeling the urge or the temptation to do drugs or to use drugs. That is, along with the medication, yes, he or she should be given proper counseling, psychological motivation, behavioral therapy, etc. And these treatment programs also impart the skills and capability required in order to say no to drugs in the future. And this behavioral therapy, counseling, psychological approach, all these programs also impart or develop the skills and capability required in order to say not to drugs in the future, and which is highly critical for a complete cure to drug abuse. So this is the method that our writer put forward. That is a solution he put forward to drug abuse. That means along with the medication, that addicted person, he or she should be given proper behavioral therapy or counseling or psychological approach or other supportive measures or motivation. For what? So that the victim of drug abuse gradually stops feeling the urge or the temptation to use these drugs. And these treatment programs also impart or yes developed the skills and capability required in order to say not to drugs in the future. That means that person is completely relaxed from that drug usage or completely free from the drug usage. That is in future, that is, he or she should be acquired that skill or that uh, mental health, what to say not to drugs in the future. Then next part is street children are addicted to drugs. According to the Ministry of Social Science and Empowerment, 46,410 cases of substance abuse by street children were reported in Delhi last year. Yes, according to the Ministry of Social Justice, according to their census, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, 46,410 cases of substance abuse. Substance abuse means that is this negative habit, that drug usage or drug abuse. So 46,410 cases of substance abuse by street children were reported in Delhi last year. Is what a pathetic situation that is existing in our country. That is 46,410 cases of drug usage or drug abuse by street children. We all know that there are so many street children or orphans that is in our country. So among these street children, 46,410 cases are reported in Delhi last year. The cases of consumption of drug substances during the year were heroin 840 cases, opium 420 cases, pharmaceutical opioids 210 cases, and sedatives 210. Yes, according to their census, the cases of consumption of drug substances during the last year were heroin. That is, I already told you there are so many different types of substances or drugs are available in the market. That is the cases reported where, that is the heroin 840 cases, opium 420 cases, pharmaceutical opioids that is 210 cases, and sedatives 210. So these figures were based on a recent study by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, that is AIIMS. So this is a recent study based. This this is a study or these cases that is based on a recent study by the All India Institute of Medical Science. These figures, that is this heroin or these numbers, this is based on a recent study by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. The NGO Save the Children. NGO is a non-governmental organization. We have so many organizations or the movements that is existing in our society or in our country, that is governmental organizations as well as non-governmental organizations. So the NGO, that is non-governmental organization, and its name, that is Save the Children, that non-governmental organization Save the Children stated that about 50,923 children live on the streets of Delhi in 2011. According to their census, that is this NGO, that is Save the Children program, according to their census, uh, about 50,923 children live on the streets of Delhi in 2011. Out of these 50,923, 46,411 children were addicted to drugs. That means majority were addicted to drugs. That means what a pathetic situation is existing in our country among the youngsters. We should aware about that. About 50,923 children, that is live on the streets of Delhi in 2011, and out of these 50,000, 46,411 children were addicted, totally addicted to drugs. As per the records of the National Crime Records Bureau, 53 and 34 unnatural deaths of children below 18 years were recorded due to drug overdose during 2015 and 2016 respectively. Yes, when we go through the records of National Crime Records Bureau, yes, 53 unnatural deaths of children below 18 years were recorded due to overdose usage of drugs in the year 2015. That is 53 unnatural deaths of children because of this overuse of drugs in the year 2015, and 34 unnatural deaths of children below 18 years were recorded due to this overdose drug usage in the year 2016. So, dear children, I think all of you understand the situation and what is the relevance of this chapter. That is, you should aware about that. What is going on in our society or in the country? What is the present status among, that is mainly regarding this drug usage? What is the condition of, or what is the mentality of these youngsters? How they became addicted to this negative habit. So I think all of you understand this session. That is, our writer put forward some solutions to prevent this negative habit, and also he noted some uh, cases, that is, street children are addicted to drugs. Dear children, there is a homework for you, and the homework is, what do studies on the street children of Delhi reveal? And the second one is, what is the best treatment for a drug user? Please write your homework and send back to me through your WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you again.